You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more confusing names and vocabulary and correct pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. So let's look at how to pronounce it in Spanish and in English. Spanish pronunciation: Yajaira, ya-ja-i-ra, Yajaira. If you cannot pronounce the Spanish J, the H sound, you can replace it with an H sound in English for an English pronunciation as Yajaira, Yajaira. From Spanish, Yajaira. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.